Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I have my Boxycharm. So if you don't know, Boxycharm is $21 a month. You can get a little cheaper if you do like a 3-month or 6-month or whatever. But it promises 4 to 5 full-size products. So every now and then we'll get it slightly smaller than full-size product, but still worth it in the end. Usually always over $100. So they went back to the basic card instead of the little pamphlet they had last month, but it is Boxy Bash. Apparently it is their 5-year birthday. So it does list everything. It has the prices listed and then a couple codes like CoverFX. You get 20% off your next purchase on CoverFX.com using code BOXY. Ends June 15th. At Pure, you can save 15% off using Boxy May. If you buy during the month of May. And I highly recommend either their glitter and glow shadows. These are freaking awesome. They are $36 for a set of 5 of these, but they're awesome and totally different. They're like more like liquid metal than glitter. But they're really good. They last, and just don't tip them over, they will pour out. But so they have like at least 2 sets of these. So this might have been just the Christmas collection, but they do have one that has like a purple in it. And they're vegan. I recommend this one or the Trolls palette. Those two I have definitely tried. Some people love their facial stuff, but those two I've tried. The Trolls palette and then those are all. Think about this box. The only variation in this box is what lippy you got in our lip color. So first thing everybody got was a full-size CoverFX blurring primer, and this bad boy retails for $38. So primer that instantly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines to create a super smooth, flawless airbrush look. And it is sealed. Apply morning on clean face. I don't lie. We'll get it together. Okay. There's a bit of a dark tint to it. So it is not a silicone, or it is like a silicone, but this looks, this kind of formula is almost like an Urban Decay Primer Potion. So it's very soft. There's not really a tint once it moves out. I guess it kind of smooths the lines of the back of my hand of the skin texture. I'm excited to try that. I have better luck with this type of moisturizer than a straight silicone. So thing everybody got, and they counted this separate from the other brush set because they said, oh, there's technically 6 items. This is the Aesthetic P12. What do they call this? Face brush. With synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control, the P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. And I'm kind of interested in feeling these. I mean, I have my face brushes I like, but no. It's dense, not floppy. Yeah, I don't know. I don't use this kind of taper. I mean, it feels soft. It's just the shape. Like, it's not dense. I need slightly denser. And blush, maybe I guess I try it as a blush. I use a different one from bronzer. It's similar to like how my bronzer point is just smaller. So, and the next set we got is an eye set from Aesthetica. This is 3-piece eye trio, and this is $45. I want to say they jack up their prices just a little bit, especially for a spoolie and eyeliner brushes. Or eyebrow brushes. What do they call this? Angled eyeliner, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. So you do have a spoolie, which is nice, and you get, that feels nice actually. So, and then a really, really fine-tipped eyeliner brush. Not completely knocking it. And so everybody got these brushes. Trying to pull off this thing. Okay. Oh, that's stiff. Okay, I only have like ones that are like soft. So I don't know how they would like actually use one to write on. Okay, or you know, use with a gel liner. The next thing we got is from Pretty Vulgar. This is the Ink Gel Eyeliner. Highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick dry-in application with a rich vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water-resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. And this is $24. The thing is, I forgot to look at the ingredients, so I don't really want to mess with it too much. But I love that the whole like ink pot thing, just for the packaging alone. So I don't really want to mess with that because I need to look at the ingredients to make sure there's no carmine, because you know some companies like to hide carmine and black stuff. The next thing everybody got is from Pure. It came in like this. It was in bubble wrap. You can open it up like that. They do have tape on the sides. It's Pure Sculptor, and for once, it's actually pretty daggum dark for Pure. And you get like a scent of something, and then, but being close, you don't smell it too much. Like, almost like a cocoa. 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. And this is MSRP for $30. So it is very pretty. Oh, that's soft. And actually, you know, I like that trio with the highlighter. I mean, they're very similar on my hand, so one's like slightly lighter, so they are very similar. Get the lighter contour, which is Inventor. Oh, I'm sorry, this was Trailblazer, and that was Originator. And that's really soft, actually. Okay, that's Inventor, and then this is Founder, which is the darker one. These are good colors. The one slightly warmer toned and cooler toned, they will work for me. Consider how often I actually contour. Go ahead and try them one day. Last but not least, and this is the only variation, you could have got a Han lip gloss. You could have got one of 3 shades of this matte lip gloss from Beauty Creations, and I guess they kind of teamed up with Boxycharm. I really don't know if it's a collab or what. Liquid lip gloss. Beauty Creations matte liquid lip gloss, especially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tone. And this is $10. So I haven't really tried anything Beauty Creations, I don't think. Oh, because I can't even find the ingredient list. So I got the color Kiss Me. And I'm a fan of the whole matte gloss. I love L'Oreal's Pro Matte Gloss. So it's a doe foot. Ooh. Ooh, like strawberry, sweet tart. I don't know. Oh, that smells good. That's a different scent. You know, they all do vanilla. Oh, that is nice. That is like the L'Oreal Pro Matte Gloss, but slightly thinner. But that is a nice color. Wow. It's like a strawberry. Strawberry berry. I am excited. I'm between this one and another shade for tomorrow, which is Mother's Day. That this video, I don't know when this video will go up, but yeah. I don't know if I'll use this one or not. But I want to try it out. I want to see. I have to make sure if this has carmine or not. I wanted to test it, y'all. But I have to see if it has carmine or not before I do. I'm excited for that lippy. That lippy's gorgeous. Even the contour palette. I mean, I like these shades of contour. That's nice. And I like how it's not a huge thing. Because I've never used that freaking IBY thing. And with the highlighters and like actual highlighters, not freaking matte highlight, which I never use. And then these things. So I'm excited. It's a good box. It's not the best box, but well, it's almost the best box. It's a pretty damn good box. And this I'm really interested in trying. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!